how to buy protocol token on BingX. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now also there is referral codes down in the description and get free money, rewards and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, find your accounts and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now to be able to buy this token on BingX, make sure to find it on CoinMarketCap. It's available there. Now after that, click on markets here, and as you can see next to BingX, you will see this buy to USDT pair link. Now click on it and it will redirect you to your account. Now after that, what you need to do, click on buy here, and here just drag this to set how much a percentage of USDT that you have on your account to buy with it. Now so click on buy here now, and you will buy this token. So if you select the limit option, just type here how much you want to buy, and after that you will see here how much the equivalent of USDT that you set here that you will pay. So after that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your BingX account. So this is how to buy protocol token on BingX. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.